Hello fellow island riders, glad to see you out on the trails. Holy smokes. The trails opened up last week and I'm out here on my favorite ATV trail on the island, Red Isle of course. And man, it's a good time already. Some dusty, some dry. Who knows how much mud we'll get into? Maybe a lot, maybe more. But man, oh man, it's time to start getting to work on that off-road goal for the season, and that is off-road stamina. So here we are. We got the bike all ready to rock, got the trail lights on, and we're out to have a good time. To say the least, all we're doing out here today is just riding trail and practicing, getting better, building up that stamina, and watching our stuff. Now, what's this? I think that's a go around. Big sign says this way. Woo. Trying to peek around the turns before I hit these berms. I was watching some of Hugo's videos right before I came out here. He's racing this weekend at McQuaid Hare Scramble. I'm wishing him good luck. Sent him a text yesterday to try to pump him up. Hopefully he's doing it. He's moving up in class. He's got that brand new Sherco 2-stroke. He's just gonna give her, I bet. Coming around. All right, first big mud of the day. We got a rock here, right side. We're just gonna creep her. Hey, I'll work for it today, Foxy boy. Whew. Creep this one here. We're good. Oh, there's a big old rock. Alright, we gotta be careful here coming out onto a main road. Main-ish road, I should say. Never a look. Where's the link up? I don't think it's across the road. No dumping. Okay, yeah, it is across the road. This is definitely it. Alright, cool. Could use a sign there, but they're still working on it, eh? Like, they are still working on it. Oh, I had a clear line of sight. I should have attacked that one. Oh, well, no, the follow-up is blind. Like, I want to just blast this, but, and I mean, that's the intention, but I just, I'm too freaked out about not being able to see what's coming around the corner, eh? Like, see that one right there? It's another good one, but it's not worth it, man. Scoot up on that. Look through, it's good. I don't have too much to say, folks. I mean, I don't have any big philosophical thought processes going on. I'm just like, keep the bike upright right now. That's pretty much my goal. I'm trying to take a few moments just to get some, you know, that good stock footage stuff. What's this? Oh my. Slow the roll here. Big rocky boys. I'm gonna carefully ride this rut. Oh, because I don't want to have the case fall onto any of these. There we go. Could have probably done. Oh, there we go. First squad at the crossroads. Headed to Winslow. I might hook on with this group, let them get a little bit, because that's where I'm headed to. We'll just let them have a good give them some breathing room, eh? So the dust doesn't killing us. Like, look at the dust. Isn't that so cool? But yeah, I just want to take this moment right now. I do this every time I come up to the Red Isle ATV Trail System, Old Club 3. And I want to extend a very, very, very heartfelt thank you to all the volunteers, to the administration, and to the landowners of this ATV trail. Without you, this beautiful, wonderful, amazing, super fun, exhilarating trail would not exist. And it's that relationship between yourselves and the landowners that you've, crafted, that makes this so fun for all of us here today. And I want to thank you very much. And a special thank you to all the folks that were in work parties over the late fall and the early spring to get this back in shape after Fiona, because it was rough, folks. So again, thank you so much for just creating this beautiful space for all of us. Let's see what's up. Having a good time? Yeah? Oh, that's nice. Alright, watch this blind. This is a sharp one. That's good to know, though. They're right close by for all that recovery goodness. Woo! Slow down. Pine Tree Alley? Is that what this is called? Oh, they have like names for all the different places in here, and this is one of my favorites. I think it's called Pine Tree Alley. Someone from Red Isle can correct me on that, but it's beautiful. Look how cozy it is. We're just gonna creep this. Enjoy it. Beautiful. Some dirt bikes on her here today. We're gonna start getting into some rough sections as we get towards Winslow. But already I can tell that they've fixed a lot of problems. Look at that, that used to be a mud hole. Down, up. Whew, nice. All right, this is the stuff. This is what we're after today. This is the stuff that gets the sweat going. Usually this is all mud. Every little hill in this is all mud. But today it's dry, super dry. Watching through, good line. It might get worse though. Yeah, there it is. It's starting to come up now. Eyes up. Kicker on that. Once again. Beautiful. It's hard to watch the trail so far downfield. Oh yeah, we're feeling the workout now. I tried to dress light. I don't know if you noticed, but I got a whole bunch of new gear so I can be a little bit more cooled down for this, because I'm thinking, right? I don't want to be so sweaty. I hear something. It's taking the big creek. Oh yeah, okay. Awesome. There we go. Let's see, anybody else? No, we're good. Watch this blind. Ooh, she's a sloppy blind. Use that mud to turn the bike. I love it. So sweet. Man, this trail's so fun. Oh my god, I love this trail so much. I'll never stop bringing you guys here. I can see through. We're good to go left berm here. I'm gonna do a quick change. see, so I'm gonna just hug the line here. There's a go around already. That's too big though. It's above our pay grade for today, being alone. We'll see more of that though. Oh wow, okay, no, okay, good. We have to go through this. Ooh, let's get up here. All right, very awesome. Oh, signage, so good, the signage. All right, let's get back in the zone here. This is the tricky part coming up. Oh, actually, I don't know. There could be a couple more parts. I thought this was the last leg, but it isn't. I don't think, at least. Oh, watch out. Lots of stumperoos. Let's get up here. I can hear them. We're catching up now. There we are. There they are. Up front. I'm gonna let them get some space first. Oh man. Let's just really quick. There we go. No need to have that on the trail, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I like this new line they've taken though. It's super challenging. Way more technical than just straight line. This is good stuff. I'm getting the sweat going now. This is what we're after. Clubhouse to the right.